Oh, there's two ways to, I'm not talking to you. There's two ways to get to Task Manager, and that's by pressing Control-Alt-Delete and clicking Task Manager here. There's also another way which is, well, I don't have any space, but if I had space down here, I could just right click on the taskbar and you see Task Manager right here. What you're looking for is the Java runtime. This thing here. It's also down here. But what we need to do is we need to click this Details tab and find it in here. Unfortunately, there's two of them. I'm not sure why it's two of them. Let me see. Anyway, there's two of them. So you right click on it. You set priority to high. Let's see if this other one. Yeah, you should have one. I don't know why I have two. I'm not sure at the moment. But that needs to be set to high. And then you should experience no lag. That's what